I copped. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. I really appreciate you guys, man. And the Jordan 11s, you know, they shock dropped a couple weeks ago, maybe last week. I didn't get them. I still got my old pair, and that's kind of what this video is about, an older pair that's coming back. But like I said, if I don't get it, I make sure my son get it because I want him to feel how I felt back in the days. But man, overall, clean sneaker. The Legend Blue's always been a clean sneaker, whether high or low. But a couple of weeks ago, I did a short of the Kobe Christmas joints that's coming out, and I believe it's next week they dropping. I did a short on it, and I got a lot of feedback, people asking me to do a full review on the 2014 version. Which I get, because a lot of people weren't collecting 2014s. And to be honest, Kobe sneakers weren't that popular as they is now, of course. Because y'all know why. And a lot of people wasn't copying, even me. And I'm a big Kobe fan. But I was very, like, picky on what Kobe I chose. Sort of how I am with LeBron now. Like, I know his time is almost up. And I'm still picky on what I cop from LeBron. But with Kobe, I was picky. I do have a lot. But these ones were a must for me. Just like the Grinches was. Just like the reverse go on all day. So it's not going to be a long video. But I just want to show y'all up and close the 2014 version of the Kobe Christmases. I wanted to wait to get the new ones in hand because I'm copping the new ones too. They're exactly similar, guys. Hit the beat. On the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So before we get into that full 4K review of this sneaker, quick differences. When these dropped in 2014, price tag was $225. You know, in 2014, $225 for a sneaker was a big deal. StockX wasn't around. GOAT wasn't around. Wait. Yeah, they weren't around. $225 was a lot. So if you look at the 2014 pair on StockX, it's going for like $600, $550 in that price range. You look at the ones that's slated to drop next week, way lower, in the 300s. So that shows you what the nostalgia is. But I'm telling you guys, I believe they are the exact same look. But I always go with vintage when we talking about like quality of a sneaker. Like them old Jordans back in the days, the leather was stiffer, it was a lot better. But let's get into it. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. I mean, I always credit Kobe with the fly knit situation. They try to give it to a lot of people, but the fly knit situation I be crediting Kobe with in the what the situation. You see what I mean? These are what the Kobe's. From in that, maybe close to 2014, if not before it. But yeah, the fly knit was definitely different, man. Got a black swoosh here. I don't even know what you call this material. Very dope on the fly knit. Come around, you get the Christmas Achilles stitching here. If y'all don't know, Kobe hurt his Achilles. And every sneaker after that came with this stitching. Very nice. You get that in the Christmas green on top of the Christmas red, which made a lot of sense. Right here in stitching, just like an ugly Christmas sweater, it reads KB9 or 9th. This is the 9th sneakers. And the whole sneaker just give you Christmas vibes. Even back in the days, I said I wish this was green, but you get the black carbon fiber look. Same ones you get like on the Jordan 11s. Man, this sneaker had it all. Inside the tongue, I always wish this was on the outside, but it reads Mamba Greetings. Got the snake around it like a stocking, but it's a snake. Get y'all to see that better. Say Mamba Greetings, very dope. The tongue, big, tall, SB style, but skinny. Tongue, Kobe Bryant logo, Kobe Bryant signature, like you always get on a sneaker. The bottom, you get like a green ornament here with the Mamba logo, and then a red, white, all just mixing. The red shoelaces was super dope too, give you that infrared colorway. This sneaker had it all, guys. Try to get y'all to see the inside. Also has that Christmas green in it. This is the left shoe. Everything adds up. Everything was the same. Nothing changed, man. But this was one of the dopest Christmas sneakers. See, when these dropped, I was so hyped because these, man. I remembered these. But when they threw the Grinch in there, man, I loved it. Kobe had some of the coldest Christmas sneakers, man. I remember Christmas every year. It was a Jordan 11, like we still get now. And it was a KD, a LeBron, and a Kobe. That was the Nike lineup. And Kobe won every Christmas. And y'all can see that now. And I'm happy my boy getting the love for that, man. But again, these are slated to drop, I believe, December 9th. But definitely that week. Again, $240 price tag. It's a $15 markup from the 2014 version. But sneakers are just up. In 2014, Jordan 1s were going for like 140. I think they up to 190, 200. So the economy is just up, guys. But this is one of them sneakers you definitely want, man. One more thing. If you look here, it's like some Braille writing. I think my gift from Mambas had these too, but I don't really know what that means. That's crazy. But yeah, I definitely will be copping a new pair and comparing it. So hit that notification bell, like, everything them shoe tubers say, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.